This conference will now be recorded.
One second. Okay. In the last session, whatever we discussed is clear for everybody, right?
Yes, sir.
Meaning you're able to connect the basic points after going through the Excel sheet.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we will try to understand as a FICO consultant how do we perform configuration. Everybody, those who are not talking, please make sure your mics are on mute. Now, as a FICO consultant, first point we need to understand how do we perform configuration. Because the first point that strikes our mind when we talk about SAP FICO is config. Now, it is equally important. We all need to understand how exactly we perform configuration in any project. For this, in short, before we make any configurations, we must understand system landscape. What we need to understand?
System landscape.
System
You need to
landscape.
understand system landscape. Yesterday we were talking about system landscape. What was system landscape which we discussed yesterday?
Development quality assurance.
Development
Time production.
Development parity.
We talked about three systems. One is development. Somebody has got some echo. Please make sure you're all on mute. Anybody who has background noise who is speaking on speaker, please make sure you are not unmuting your mic. Else, it will be difficult for you to refer the recording. Now it will look fine, but when you refer to the recording, it will create unnecessary disturbance, deviation from the key point which we are discussing. Okay. First one is development. Second one is quality. Third one is production. Meaning, for you to do or for us to do any configuration as a FICO consultant, it is mandatory for us to remember these 3 points which are part of your system landscape: development, quality, and then production. When we talk about development, quality, production, please make sure why we use development, you are clear. Why we use quality, we are clear. Similarly, why do we use production? Also, we are supposed to be clear. Once we are ensuring these points are clear to us, we need to understand why do we log into each of the system to perform what activity. First point, we were talking about configuration. Now, configuration is a direct activity or config is dependent on any other activity.
Depend upon business requirement.
Right? Configuration is dependent on or configuration is based on the business requirement. Let us assume that something or the other business requirement we got it. Assuming that, let's assume we got the business requirement. Let us assume that we got the business requirement. Once business requirement is given or received, what we need to do, we need to make sure we are performing the configuration.
Yes.
Yes.
We need to ensure we are performing the configuration. To do the configuration, we need to make sure certain parameters. When we say certain parameter, straight away we should not go to the system and perform any configuration. Instead, we need to understand what is this requirement.
Yes.
Instead, we need to make
Yes.
sure what is this requirement and whether this is related to GL, AP, AR, or different modules are involved. We need to have a clarity. After ensuring that everything is clear, requirement is properly finalized, requirement is frozen, and it is confirmed, approved by the user, we need to ensure we will start setting up the system, or we will maintain configuration in the system. Let's assume that points which are related to business requirement is all in place. What and all we need to talk about business requirement, and how do you say that requirement is finalized, we will understand in the coming session. For now, let us assume that requirement is given and requirement is finalized. Once requirement is finalized, we need to make sure we need to start configuring the system. What we need to start? Configuring the system. Now, to do the system configuration, we have to log into the system. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
For logging into the system, there are two ways. Point number one, SAP GUI. Point number two, SAP Fiori. Let's assume that until I talk about further point, strictly remember, any configuration we will be performing in SAP GUI. Put your ID and then password here. Enter. Now to do the configuration, you'll have to go to any one screen. I will simply go to any one screen. Just look at the screen here. That's it. Look at the screen. I'll keep it one more screen. There are two screens. Left and right, both are same screens, or these two are different screens?
Both are same, sir.
Same screen.
Both are same screen. What is the difference between these two?
First one in
Above
change
the-
mode and second one in display mode.
First one is in change view. Second one is in display view. Am I correct? Meaning
Yes.
first one is editable. Second one is non-editable. Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So where is modification possible? Where is modification not possible? Left side or right side?
Left.
Left side.
Left side is possible and right side is not possible.
Left side modification is possible. Right side modification is not possible. Clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
In SAP, we need to understand modifiable client and non-modifiable client. How many clients?
Modifiable client, two clients,
Two clients.
Modifiable,
Modifiable and non-modifiable.
non-modifiable. As the name suggests, modifiable means modification is possible or editing is possible. Non-modifiable means modification are not possible. In short, editing is not
Display.
possible.
Yes.
Now on this, which one is modifiable, which one is non-modifiable?
So left one is modifiable
This
and the
is
right one is not modifiable.
Right side is non-modifiable.
Right. In short, change view is modifiable, display view is non-modifiable, correct?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
Yes.
Modification means, or modifiable means, you can add a new entry, you can copy the existing entry, you can delete the entry. Non-modifiable means, other than display, nothing is possible.
Right.
Yes.
Only we
You
can
can see
review
the
it.
icons, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? You can only view here. In short, there are only 4 icons. There are multiple icons here. New entries, copy, delete and all.
Yes.
In
yes.
simple terminology, leave about all the technical aspect. Are you sure? Are you clear what is modifiable, what is non-modifiable? Forget about all
Yes,
the
sir. We are
technical
clear.
aspect. Understood,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now come back to here. From the system landscape point of view, we have 3 systems, right?
Yes.
Yes.
First one is development.
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 Okay. And then second one is quality.
assurance,
Third one is
Third
production.
one,
production,
production.
Production.
These are the 3 points. Now in the development, yesterday we understood there are how many clients within the development?
3
clients,
clients.
Three clients.
3.
3 clients. Let's say we have listed within the development client 100, 110,
110,
and then 200.
Yes.
Yes,
one,
client 200.
Who are we? Which module consultant are we?
Functional consultant.
We're all called as
Functional.
FICO consultant,
FICO,
right? We're
So
called as
consultant.
FICO consultant. Now out of these 3, this one and this one, how many we highlighted?
2.
2.
Okay, let's put FICO consultant. Here also FICO consultant, meaning let us strictly keep it only with respect to FICO consultant. Let us not talk about anything which is not relevant to us. Okay, purely we will not talk anything which is not relevant to us. Whatever is related to FICO, straight away we will talk about it, so that easy for all of us to understand what exactly is happening in the system. First point. Now there is something called 110. Let me keep it in a different color. Okay, let's put this ABAP consultant. Who will use it?
ABAP concept.
ABAP concept.
ABAP consultant.
ABAP meaning we, or it is somebody else?
Technical consult.
Technical consultant.
Technical people.
ABAP means technical, in short somebody else, not us. All we need
Yes,
to
sir.
understand it, whether it is FICO or non-FICO.
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 It is non-FICO.
If it is non-FICO means simply keep it aside for time being. Later we will try to understand what it is and all. At this moment we will strictly try to understand whatever is straight away connected to SAP FICO. Not even functional, straight away on dot it is FICO. Clear?
Clear, sir.
No more
Yes, sir.
generic point, no more casual point. Straight away on dot it is connected to FICO. Anything
Yes.
which is not connected to FICO or directly not related to FICO, I'm not talking at this moment. Those points we will try to understand, discuss later on, so that you will practically feel the difference. These 2 points.
Yes.
In the quality, how many we said we have clients?
2 clients we have.
Clients.
we have
2 clients. So I'll put 100.
Quality 100 and 200.
Quality
Client 200.
200. Right. Production, how many we said?
One client.
One client.
Production
Right.
only
One.
one. Production only one. Now this is FICO consultant. This. Meaning in every system as a FICO consultant, we will have the access or not.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
we'll have the
Yes.
access.
We have the access.
We have the access in every system. First point. Now in SAP FICO, first point that strikes everybody's mind is configuration. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
When you talk about FICO, we all think about this configuration, that configuration, ABCD topic. Now we understood, we have all clarity that SAP means not a single system. There are multiple systems: development, quality, production. Within development, there are multiple. Within quality, there are multiple. Agree?
Yes.
Now,
Yes,
when you're
sir.
talking about configuration, where do you configure? How do you configure? How many times do you configure? Yes or no? Required or not?
Yes.
Not just configuration, where you will configure, how you will configure, how many times we will configure, you need to have a clarity. Now to understand this, first point we need to understand modifiable, non-modifiable. Remember, development 100, this is modifiable client. This is what?
Modifiable client.
Modifiable. This is also modifiable. But this is for ABAP, right? Modifiable,
Yes.
but this is for ABAP. And this
Yes.
one is non-modifiable. This is non-modifiable, meaning let us keep a different color to it so that you can segregate. Now rest and all non-modifiable, non-modifiable, non-modifiable. Clear? In short,
Yes.
how many modifiable clients?
Only
Modifiable 2 and not
Only 2.
non-modifiable 4.
4.
How many modifiable clients?
Only
Modifiable,
two.
we have 2 clients.
FICO consultant.
Two modifiable.
For a FICO consultant.
One client
For
for
FICO, only one.
Only one.
clients for non-modifiable.
For a FICO consultant, there is only one modifiable client. Let us not to talk about the point, which is ABAP. We are all not ABAP consultants, so we don't need to talk about it. For now, I will keep it in a different color. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Strictly focus on FICO consultant, not the ABAP consultant. So for a FICO consultant, how many modifiable clients are available?
Only one.
Only one.
Only one. Meaning configuration can be done how many times in the SAP system?
Only
Only
once.
one.
Only one time. One time.
Only one time. Only one time you will do the configuration and then you will be using it development, quality, production. Then we
Yes.
need to understand one thing here. Config possible. We don't use configuration full terminology. We simply use config possible. Here config possible, not possible.
Possible.
Config is possible.
Not possible.
Config
It is
not
not possible.
possible. Not possible, not possible, not possible.
Not possible.
Correct?
In production. Yes.
In the other system, configuration is not possible. Then how we need to understand, or how we will think that, okay, how do you get the data into the quality system, production system, or different other system? If it is a one-time configuration, how we will be in a position to use multiple system? And here we need to understand one thing called
Transport request.
transport request.
Yes.
When you're talking about transport request, all configurations are saved in a transport request.
Request.
Okay, and with the help of TR. Now TR means what?
Transport request.
Transport request.
With the help of TR, we copy or we move
The change.
config from
Development.
one client slash system to another client slash system. Clear?
Yes.
With the help of TR, we copy or move configuration from one client to another client or one system to another system.
Yes.
Now, case number 1. One client to another client. Okay, then it is like development 100 to development 200. Both
Yes.
are within the client, within development.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I'll write case number 2. One system to another system.
Another
This is like development 100 to, let's say,
quality.
QAS 100.
Yes.
Now these are
100.
not the same system, right? These are two different systems.
Yes.
Here both are development. Here development and then quality. You'll have to observe the
Yes.
difference.
Yes.
This is within development and within development. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
Now this is between development and quality.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Quality slash PRD 100. Anything is okay. All you need to understand is these two are two different systems. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
We call it as
Client.
Cop.
copy the TR, and here we call it as
Export.
Export.
Here.
release
Release
Yes.
and
Import.
import TR.
and import here.
Okay, this is our first case. This is the first case, and then this is the second case. Are these two cases clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Blindly, all these points must be on your fingertip. The way
Yes.
everybody will tolerate, every day we get up in the morning, we brush, we take bath, we drink water and all. Similarly, you need to remember this. Okay, you'll have to remember
Yes.
this. There is no other option. There is no shortcut. There is no exception. There is no excuse. No reason you can give that I don't know, I forgot, I'm not clear. Nothing is accepted. Nothing is allowed. In short,
Yes.
there are certain things, whether we like, we don't like, we have to follow. We have to do it.
Yes. Yes.
These are all such category things, whether we like, we don't like, we have to do it. As long as you're working in SAP, you have to live with it. So make sure one time effort, you don't have to look into this again and again. I don't want to talk about it. I also don't want you to forget about this. Clear, right?
Yes. Clear.
There should be
Sir,
no
where
point
is
where
the
you will tell
sandbox, sir?
you're confused here. Whatever I'm not writing here at this moment not required. Sandbox or different other points, I will talk later. Whatever we're writing now is mandatory in every project. Sandbox and all is optional. Somewhere you will find it, somewhere you will not find it. Those we will practically see once we are in a position to use the system. There I will practically make you understand what is a sandbox, why we use it, and how it is beneficial in a project. Purpose of it. Practically, I'll make you understand.
Okay, sir.
If you try to understand or if you try to look at everything now, we do not know what we need to remember, right? So we need to make
Yes.
sure
Yes.
initially whatever we are listening to now, whatever you are practicing now, is something which is mandatory without any exception. No option that you will tell I don't know this, I forgot it, nothing is allowed. Clear these points?
Yes.
Two cases.
Okay.
Just you need
Yes.
to listen to me, make sure you're hearing for the first time or you're already aware. It is okay, but make sure these points are passing through your mind. That's it. Whether they're staying in your mind, they're leaving your mind, it is okay. Don't think about it, because day in day out multiple times I will talk, multiple times you will perform these activities. So there is no way, even if I ask you to forget, you will not forget. So don't put any additional effort on these things to remember to by heart. Read it, listen to me, and then leave it. If you are able to remember, it is okay. If not, still okay, because you'll get it these points multiple times on a daily basis. Now, one point we need to understand here: T codes. Everybody is aware of T codes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know. New for this
Okay,
sir.
transaction code. In SAP, to open any screen, you call it as a T code. Just remember, here it is
SCC1.
SCC1, and here it is SE09,
Yes, sir.
and stms
MS
underscore
import
Underscore.
import. There are two things here and there is one thing here. Clear?
Yes.
There are some other alternative T code also, but let us try to remember one now. Later on, we will try to understand once we are inside the system, different ways, different screens where you can perform the similar activity. But now let us keep it only one, which is mandatory, where it is used majoritarily by every consultant. Clear these points?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Now, once these are done, next one, let's say, first thing, where do we configure? Now, can you tell me where do we configure?
Development. Right?
Development system.
Development.
100.
Development
100.
100.
Everybody clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, how do we know if we configured correctly or is a system working as per requirement? There should be a way to figure it out, right?
Yes.
Yes,
In
sir.
the quality system.
Based on the testing.
Yes, sir.
How do you find out? You'll have to test it, right? It is okay, not okay.
Yes.
Yes. In the
Whatever you do,
quality
you will
system.
check or not before you give it to somebody, correct or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Exactly.
Yesterday, whatever example we discussed, assuming that I am visiting your place, you will offer me tea, coffee. Before you serve tea or coffee or anything to anybody, you will taste it or not. Whether salt is okay,
Yes.
sugar is okay, it is boiled, not boiled, whatever it is, depending on the item, you will test or not.
Yes.
Yes, we test, sir.
You will not directly experiment on the person, right?
Yes.
Because it gives a bad impression, right? If it is not okay. Though you're sure, though you're confident, though you cooked 100 times, 1000 times, still you have to taste it at least one time, correct or not? That is called as a
Yes.
testing.
Yes, sir.
This is not because you are not sure about what you have done. This is just to ensure nothing will go wrong, right? You don't want even 1% possibility that it is not good. Agree? You wanted to make sure
Yes.
maximum possibility that it is fine. Now here you need to perform the testing. Now, who will do the testing? Two things.
Functional consultant.
Consultant and user. Both
Users. Yes.
testing will be done by the consultant, plus testing is also done by the user.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Next one, what testing is done by user?
UAT. User acceptance.
UAT. User acceptance testing.
It is called as UAT. There are
User
certain
acceptance.
points where purposefully I do not write full form because I want you to remember the point, expand it on your own. UAT means what?
User
User
acceptance.
User
acceptance.
User
acceptance testing.
acceptance testing.
Right? What testing is done by consultant?
Unit testing. UT.
You call it as UT. It is nothing but unit.
Unit testing.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So far, are these points clear? If you go one by one,
Yes. Yes, sir.
right? Now,
So can you explain about UA testing and UT testing? What it exactly
we will
means?
come one by one. Okay, we are just trying to get familiar to these points. Then I'll give examples and then I'll explain every point.
So thank you.
Okay.
Ajay, will the T codes also have full forms?
No, T code no full form.
Okay, so we need to blindly remember those things.
Blindly remember it, yes.
Sir, we
Now
have
here,
SIT also, right? Done by consultant.
those are all part of these two only. This, if you break down, you have different things. This you break down, you have different type of testing that we will see later on. Types of testing, that is different.
Okay.
Okay, that is different, that we will see later on. At this moment, all we need to remember is these two alone. Nothing is
Okay.
required beyond these two. Anything that you have is over and above this, meaning these two are mandatory. After
Yes.
this, how do we test?
In quality and volume.
Not where do we test.
Unit testing needs to done in development system.
Not where, it is how.
Based on business requirement.
With the
So
test
here,
data.
By configuration software.
based on
Business scenarios with test data.
test
Scenario.
script,
Test description.
test case, test scenario, user stories, different things we call it as, yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
You would have come across all the terminologies somewhere or the other.
Sir, test scenario, test scripts, both are same, right?
All are same, all are same. People
Yeah.
will use different names, but all are same. For you to
So
do
under,
the
sir,
testing, you
yeah.
need to
So
ensure
under
these points are given to us. Now, how
so
do we
under
get these points? Hold on.
yeah. So under each test scenario, there are steps are there, no steps, multiple steps.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So whenever you're talking about any requirement, you need to make sure how this requirement works, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right? Meaning you need to have a test case. When I say you need to have a test case, you need additional information at the time of a discussion itself or not?
Yes.
You need to have additional information at the time of a discussion itself. For example, tomorrow I said that, okay, I am coming for lunch to your home. If I say I'm coming for lunch to your home tomorrow, you'll say okay. But you need further information or not from me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. We need.
Yes.
You'll ask me, okay, what do you eat? Yes, no?
Yes.
You need, are you coming alone or are you coming with your family? Something like that. Let's say how many members are coming, how many vegetarian, how many non-vegetarian, what items are you preferring? You will need the additional information, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Accordingly, you will come to a conclusion. If 2 members are coming, you will make food for 10 people. No, right?
No.
No.
Meaning only when you know the clear requirement, you can plan accordingly. You can keep everything ready as per the requirement.
Yes.
Because here, if I'm coming for lunch, it's a normal task. No need of all this point. But what if we are performing a function? For this function, you need to initiate the lunch for maybe 100 people, 200 people. You need to go for catering. When you go for catering, are you supposed to give the clear requirement or not?
Yes. We need to give the
Yes,
clear
sir.
requirement.
You'll have to give a clear requirement. You'll have to tell if 100 people are coming, 50 people are coming, 20 people are coming, 500, 200, 300. Give exact requirement. Then give the list of items that you're looking for.
Yes.
Yes.
And then you need to
Yes,
give
sir.
any specification you want. I want this item to be like this item to be like this. Please make sure any here and there you adjust. Why you need to tell all the point well in advance? Because it's a business deal, right? It's a business requirement.
Yes.
Sir.
I am coming to your home for lunch, and then you are giving a contract for a function for catering. Are they same or are they different?
They're different.
Yes, sir.
They're different. When I come to your
Different.
home for lunch, after having lunch, do you give me a bill?
No.
Do you ask me to
No.
pay?
No?
No, sir.
There
No.
is no business involvement here. But still
Yes.
you ask me, right, what you eat and all. That's
Yes.
again the requirement. You're
Yes.
collecting the requirement, what I want, what I eat, what I like. Accordingly, you wanted to prepare. Yes, no? Because you
Yes.
don't want to
Yes, sir.
waste your time, you don't want to waste your energy, you don't want to disappoint. Agree or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, agree, sir.
There are so many points behind it. Why you're asking? Not just money every time, right?
Yes.
On the other side, Along with all these points, money is involved. That's where it is a
Yes.
business requirement.
Yes, sir.
Business requirement, meaning there is a money involvement. Somebody will have to ask money, somebody will have to pay money, give and take. Right? Now here, how do you test? Based on the test script, test case, test scenario, user story, there are different terminology. Make sure based on this you need to do it. Now, how do we create
One small question.
test cases? Yeah.
What is terminology, sir? Because I'm new to this SAP, so that's why I'm asking.
Terminology means name.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
name is called as terminology. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. How do we create a test cases? It is based on the business process / requirement. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Based on the process or based on the requirement, you have to create a test case. Now, who will provide this? Who will provide this? First thing,
Client.
Client.
we have
Client user.
SAP standard list. Based on that, consultant will have to make a list of all possible scenarios. Is this correct?
Yes.
Don't expect
Yes.
every time client will give. Client does not know it.
Yes.
Because now when you're learning SAP FICO, you're not just doing the configuration, you're understanding the process here, concept here.
Yes.
Accordingly, you need to make sure. For example, if I go to a restaurant and I wanted to order something, some item. Let's say I just wanted to order biryani. Give me one biryani. As a user, I do not know these further specifications of a biryani, right?
Yes.
Somebody might ask which biryani you want. They might ask category of it. They might ask whether you want spicy, non-spicy, more masala, double masala, single egg, double egg, different things they'll ask, which we do not know.
Yes.
Right? If I am the user, not necessary I should know everything, right?
Yes.
All I can tell is this is my requirement in single line. Based on the requirement, it is the consultant responsibility to understand and then act accordingly, suggest accordingly.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Else things might not work. Why people will not be able to perform in the project? Because they blindly follow the user. Don't blindly follow anybody. Put your effort. Understand. Here we are rating. We have SAP standard list.
Yes.
For everything you have SAP standard list. For example, if I have to show you some documents, I don't think I have a document. Okay. If I open one document, okay, this is something SAP standard document. You will find it something called accounts payable. This is SAP S/4HANA test script.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is released for public by SAP.
Yes.
It's a public document. SAP releases it for anybody to download and then use it. Now, this is about which process?
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable. Now, this is business conditions.
Okay.
And here, if you look at invoice entry, this is a test case.
Yes.
Yes.
Within the invoice, these are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the recurring supplier invoice 1, 2, 3. This is
Yes.
payment run. All these are test cases or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Are we supposed to Google anything? Are we supposed to ask anybody? Or you have everything provided by
No.
SAP itself?
Yes.
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 Everything is clearly given by SAP. There is nothing that I am teaching you. There is nothing you're learning from me. All you are learning from me is how to understand this, how to work as a consultant. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Clearly, this is a public
Correct.
document, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the best run SAP, meaning you would have heard something called SAP best practices,
Yes.
Yes.
SAP standard process, SAP best practice. This is what it is referring to. And it contains everything from the accounts payable, including how you need to execute it. You'll see if I show you any particular thing, let's say. If I look at it, this is the test case. Invoice entry without purchase order, test administration, customer project, fill in the project specific parts. Meaning the test case or test script is also given by SAP.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
From this list, based on the business requirement, based on the project, wherever you work, every project contains the project specific document. Okay, in every company, there is a company specific format. In that format, these things will be there. From the project, it is easy for you to understand based on the requirement, what is relevant, what is not relevant.
Yes.
Keep the relevant one, remove the irrelevant one. Now your test case testing the document is ready or not ready? In less time,
Yes, it is ready.
Yes.
it is ready. You don't need to do anything innovatively. Everything is there. Just look at it properly, understand the requirement clearly. It's easy to map what is required, what is not required.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right? Now for everything, SAP itself is telling purpose. In this activity, you enter a supplier invoice without reference to a purchase order. Payment is made in local currency, or you can pay invoices in foreign currency. For example, a German company, you can pay the invoices in dollar, and US company, you can pay invoices in euro.
Okay.
Everything is written by
Got
SAP
it.
itself. This is
Yes, sir.
standard
Yes, sir.
SAP document, not something I am preparing, not something you are preparing. Now, do you really need to go download the data, keep the dumps of all the document material in your drives? Not required, right? You get
Yes.
everything standard provided by SAP. All we need to understand, how do we use it properly, and how do we understand in a proper approach with which minimum effort, maximum understanding in a conceptual, clear manner. That should be the approach. Not that you are putting different effort and all, not required. Put smart effort and get the best output.
Yes.
Little time
Correct.
and then more output. Because now we are all in 2025. We need to make sure effort, whatever you put, should be proper. Wherever you need to put more effort to understand the concept, there we need to put more effort. Once the concept is clear, by looking at this document, anything you need to focus more on it. Everything is given by the system only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the company code listed here?
1710.
1710.
1710.
I'll go to system. Is there any company code called 1710?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There.
sir.
Company code. Yes, sir.
Right now, if I put 1710, there are so many suppliers. What is this supplier number? 17301.
173, all zeros ending with 1.
This is there or not?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Everything is there in the system or not?
Yes, sir.
Meaning
Yes.
already tested by SAP or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Without testing from the company, product will not come to the market. Is my statement correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
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 Now this is SAP standard testing document, meaning SAP has clearly tested how to use the system.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now what
Yes,
we need to
sir.
do, where we need to put our effort, on this data entry or on understanding the concept? Where should be your approach? Where should be your effort?
Understanding.
Understanding
Understanding.
it.
Understanding the
Your
concept.
effort is on understanding the concept, how we need to work, how we need to use all these things in a project. Right? Now tomorrow
Yes.
somebody might show this document, somebody will tell, I will show real time. They'll show the same thing, but it's a public document, right? Nothing called a real time,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
right? Now for every point you will find something called, let's say, where is it? Post without purchase order. And here you need to make sure test case ID. Test case ID is the same thing. You can put 4.2.1 tester name, who is the person who is testing it, what is the role, what is the responsibility. Now if you come down, do you find transaction code here? It is telling access the SAP what?
Fiori app.
Theory.
Yeah.
Access
Yeah.
SAP Fiori app, and in bracket there is a something. What is this number?
Transaction code.
F0059.
Transaction.
Invoice.
F0859, right?
059.
Yes.
0859.
Correct?
Yes.
And it is access the SAP Fiori. To access SAP Fiori, there is an application, but before that, open the browser. On the browser, you simply Google it, SAP Fiori app
Fiori.
library. What you will Google?
Fiori app.
SAP
SAP
Fiori
Fiori
app.
apps library.
SAP Fiori app library. This is a standard website and open for public. Anybody can open it. Click on this first link. It will open this website. Accept the cookies, and here you have all applications and different segregation. Click on all apps, all application. Okay, in the document you have some code here, right?
F0859.
F0859.
859.
Copy and then put this here. Okay, search it. Something is coming.
Manage supplier invoice.
Yes, supplier.
Manage supplier invoice.
This is also same, supplier invoice.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Here it is given the manage supplier invoices. Even if you click on this hyperlink, it will take you. If there is any hyperlink, it will take you there. Now here, click on this. Everybody is aware of Google Play Store.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In the Google Play Store, you can search for any application, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Once the class is over, what I want you to do is go to Play Store, search for any application, whatever it is you wish, WhatsApp or YouTube, any application is okay. Before installing the application, Play Store will show the screenshots of that application or not, how it looks like.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
the app looks.
Everybody is clear with my point?
Reference. Yes.
Yes.
For reference. Now let me click on it. This is the same like your Google Play Store. This is SAP Play Store. Okay. This is same like your SAP Play Store, same like your Apple Play Store, Google Play Store. This is SAP Play Store. Search for it. Okay, and it will tell you manage a supplier invoice. Even in Google, even in the Play Store, it will tell from which version this application is applicable, for which it is not applicable. Yes, no. Android version 8 and more, 7 and more, less and all. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Apple also OS version so and so. It is similar to it. It is clearly telling it is applicable for SAP private cloud on premise. Both are same. That is what we understood yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Agree or not?
Yes.
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 Do you find any ECC?
No.
No.
That is what we also understood yesterday. Fiori is applicable only for S4, not for ECC.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Apart from public cloud, apart from
ECC.
on-premise, private cloud, we also talked about something called public cloud. It is
Public
different.
cloud.
Yes.
Yes.
We understood. Private cloud,
Yes.
on-premise are the same. Public
Same.
cloud is different. Now it is segregated. What is the current
Yes.
version of private cloud? What is the latest version number?
2023.
2023.
2023. So you will find private cloud and on-premise. Both are same version,
Both are
2023.
2023.
Yes. Yes. Both are same version.
Yes, sir.
And after 23, before 23, it was 22, 21, 20, 1909, 1809, 1709, 1610, and then starting from 1511.
1511. Yes.
Yes.
From the
Sir.
initial, it is understood like 15 means 2015, 11th month it is released. Is that the correct
Okay.
logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
1511 means 2015, 11th month. 1610 means 2016, 10th month. 1709 means 2017, 9th
2017,
month
9th.
it is released.
Okay.
18, 2018, 09th month. 2019, 9th month.
Next every
2020, from here there is no month.
no. Okay.
Correct? Till 1909 they were giving it with year and month logic. After that there is no month.
Year
It's
and
only
month.
year. 2020, 2021, 22, 23. Starting from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Every year there is a version or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now 24, is there any version?
No.
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 Not
Now
at
you are
this.
in 2025. From
Yes.
2023, SAP decided it will no longer release a version every year. It will be releasing a new version once in 2 years. Now the latest version will come in this year. Sometime very soon, SAP will release the next version of SAP S4 HANA, probably 2025.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Till 2023, every year there is a new release, new version. From 2023, SAP decided new version or new release will be released once in every 2 years. After 2023, 24 there will be no version. 2025. After 2025, next version will come in 26 or 27.
27.
It will be
27, please.
27.
27.
Okay. Now, whether you are talking about S4 HANA on-premise or S4 HANA private cloud or
Private
S4
cloud.
HANA
Both are same.
rise with SAP, which version is the latest?
2023.
Private cloud on premise.
2023.
Yes, it is.
2023.
2020.
And we are also working on S4 HANA 2023.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We will be working on S4 HANA 2023 version.
2023.
Okay, if you click on more information, you'll get to know S4 HANA on-premise 2023.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will be understanding on latest version which is available in the market, 2023 version. This is in case of a private edition or rise with SAP on-premise. In case if you go to public cloud, in public cloud there are only two versions. One is
2502.
2408
408,
and the latest one is 2502.
2502.
Okay,
2025 second month.
Second month, February 2025, sir.
right. Now, if you come down, this is giving a screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is giving a screenshot.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Meaning,
Yes.
even before you
Like
go to
last.
SAP, even before you log into SAP, can we get an idea what it is or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can.
Yes, sir.
Any much effort is required? Any much innovation, research is required?
No.
If you know the minimum basic fundamental points properly, you can go on yourself also independently. Correct?
Yes.
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 Tomorrow, if you are
Yes, sir.
working on different projects, don't ask anybody what is this, can I see this and all. You should have your own approach. If you know the basic fundamental, you should know either how to Google it, how to explore on your own. You should have your own approach. Not every time I will be with you to show every point, right? All I can do is I can make you know the technique, understand the concept, make sure that you are confident enough to move forward independently. That is what is your
Yes.
actual learning.
Yes.
Yes.
Not that only after I show you're able to do it, then I'm not training you anything, I'm not teaching you anything. I want you to be independent, to ensure that you are in a position to move forward. Even if I don't tell something, you should be in a position to understand and move forward on your own. That level of comfort, confidence is what I want everybody to gain. Clear my point?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Right? It should not be like I have not shown something, I did not tell something, I did not configure something, I did not talk about something. Does not mean that you don't know about it. Because in our 4 month time, we cannot literally talk everything, right? But with the concept, whatever we get, you will have comfort, understanding in such a way that anything you'll be in a position to understand even on your own. Clear, right?
Yes.
And
Yes,
that
sir.
level confidence is what you all have to gain. Now close this, come back to this document. In short, everything is clearly given here.
Yes.
It's all
Yes, sir.
clearly given. Standard document. 162 page document. Literally nobody will have patience to do it, right? This is not a config document. This is a
Yes, sir.
process document. No screenshot, nothing is given.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you read it, you'll close it in 2 minutes because you don't understand anything from it. Agree?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Because we're all
Agree.
habituated to get step-by-step screenshot, Google influence.
Yes.
Unless you have a clear-cut screenshot, unless you have a clear-cut step-by-step execution video, we don't understand. Meaning, we are not self-confident, right? We're not comfortable enough to do it, understand on our own. But this is how in real time you will get the information. Nothing is clear. But you will get bits and pieces information with which you need to understand, connect it with the client requirement, business requirement, move forward. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
This is what you have to do. Keep in your mind one point. In the project, whatever the requirement that you get, whatever the doubt that you get, whatever the problem that you face, whatever the suggestion that you require, you will not get so easily. You Google it, YouTube it, ask somebody. Very, very difficult to find the solution in a convincing manner where you feel comfortable. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
This is what happens in any project for everyone. But during your training, what will happen? Any doubt that you get, any error that you get, you Google it, you get it. Am I correct?
Yes.
Any error you get, you Google it, you YouTube it, you get a video for every error that you face, or something or the other information exactly with reference to your error.
Yes.
Yes.
But don't think the same thing will happen in a project. It is completely different. Because in the training, what we do, because we are just starting now, you get all the basic fundamental errors. Agree or not?
Yes.
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
These
Yes, sir.
errors you will never get in any project. This kind of error you'll never get in a project because you are now practicing for the first time. You will make mistakes. That is how you learn it. Later on, you will never make this mistake. Tomorrow, when you tell this mistake, everybody will laugh at you. Correct or not? There are basic fundamental error. How can you make this mistake? How
Yes,
come you
sir.
don't know this? Right? People will make fun of us if you tell this is the problem, this is the error and all. You should never talk about certain error, which we will get. But those error will teach you how you have to look at a problem, how you need to rectify every point, understand the point.
Yes.
In short, these are all the documents. And SAP also provides standard something called process flows.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? There is also something called process flow. If I open, for example, SAP accounts payable process flow chart. You will get so many like this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Something like this, you'll get it,
Yes, sir. Process flow chart.
right? By looking at it also, you need to ensure that something you're in a position to understand. Just a diagram, but explains the overall process in the project tomorrow. You need to prepare these diagrams or not.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is this consultant activity or not?
Yes,
sir.
Sir.
This is the consultant activity, but you don't need to do anything. Everything you get it from the Google only. Take the screenshot, edit it, agree or not.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Don't innovatively think which shape I will put. Not required. Everything you want, you get it from the Google. Control C, Control V, go edit it. But for you to edit, you need to know what to edit, right? How to edit.
Yes.
That is where you need to focus, not on what is this, what is that and all. You get everything from the Google. Don't even ask Google. From your project itself, you'll get all the documentation. In short, sample reference document in every project you will be given or not.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Within the project, they'll share you the similar document they want you to prepare in the same format, this client related information. Now, any effort are we supposed to put additionally here apart from understanding the concept?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Minimum effort is enough for you to understand the points in a better way, so that conceptually you're clear. Tomorrow I talk about a different application. Don't ask me what is it. Come here, search what is it. For example, I wanted to post something, let's say cash payment. I will put cash payment, search cash payment. If anything is available for cash, it is giving so many things.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, you don't know what is what. Click on something. Let's say click on something. It will tell for which version it is available, public cloud, private cloud,
Yes. Yes.
Public code.
right? Because based on the project, you may be, as I said in the yesterday's session, after getting the job, you may be working for any of these project. You may be on SAP
Yes.
S4 HANA private cloud project, on-premise
Or
project, public cloud project, or ECC. If you know these points, ECC is nothing in front of you. Okay. Now,
Yes.
depending on that, you'll have to search what is it. And if you come down, you'll have to find a screenshot. Is there any screenshot?
No.
No.
No. But it is telling you can use this application to do the following: search for background job initiated in the approved payment process. Meaning it is clearly telling about all the application. Yes, no. And you will get
Yes.
related applications, meaning similar applications related to this.
Yes.
Yes.
All are public. This is public. You can open even from your mobile phone. Meaning everything is readily available or not. If you know the fundamental, if you know the concept, if you know the logic, you are good to go or not.
Yes.
Yes.
You don't have to put effort for everything, not required. Understand the concept, get the process, get the logic. That's it. And then you will be good to go in the market. And depending on the situation, depending on the scenario, for sure you'll be able to do it on your own. That level comfort, confidence is what we have to gain. And there is no shortcut for it. We have to put our effort in a right way. Else what will happen? You will end up configuring company code, chart of account, fiscal year multiple time. Any benefit with that?
No.
No, sir.
There is no benefit with it. And tomorrow when you go to the market, you should be competitive, right?
Yes.
You have to be competitive. Maybe in the project, wherever you join, you'll have to compete with the experienced consultants. Maybe only if you know these points, somebody might take you in the job. Possible,
Yes.
Yes.
Possible.
Yes.
right? So that is where we need to make sure we are competitive enough. And here, coming back to this, you need to make sure all the scenarios you need to get it. You understood now what is SAP standard list? What is the
Yes.
transaction, how to find and all?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, sorry to interrupt.
Yes.
I have one doubt, sir. Sir, in a real-time project, we'll get only one option, right? Whether it is public cloud or private cloud, only one option
Only
we'll get, right? Not
only
two.
one. Yes. Only
And
one.
one more thing, the basic difference is that if we're using private cloud, so that we can access only from client-provided laptop. If it is public cloud, we can access from our own laptop, correct?
No,
Personal
no,
laptop.
no, not like that. It is the database.
Okay.
It is simply that whenever you purchase a mobile phone,
Mm-hmm.
currently you buy a mobile phone,
Yeah.
right? And previously also you bought a mobile phone, maybe 5-6 years before. At that time,
Yes.
what used to happen? Mobile used to come along with maybe 64 GB memory and all, but you can expand
Yeah.
the memory, right? Put external
Yes.
memory
Yes.
card.
Yes. Expanding.
Now
Yes. External memory.
in the mobile phone, you cannot put inbuilt, you cannot put additional memory, right? Mobile itself is coming with 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 TB and all.
Yes.
There is no
Yes.
scope for
Yes.
you to insert any memory card.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now it's all
Inbuilt.
Yeah.
inbuilt mobile memory, no
Yeah.
third-party database,
Yes. Yes.
right? Now S4
Yeah.
HANA means inbuilt. Now here
Okay.
you're talking about private cloud
Yeah.
and you're talking about public cloud.
Yeah.
If you're talking about private cloud, you have your own memory card.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, if you're talking about public cloud, you have a memory card, but on a shared basis. In that memory card, I'm creating a folder for you. I'm creating another folder for you.
Mm.
Meaning, it's a shared platform. Public means it is common for couple of clients, multiple clients.
Okay. And one more thing, sir, you are showing the testing, right, in SAP Fiori. So that we can do in SAP GUI, right? The testing, or
Yes,
only in SAP Fiori. Both we can do, right?
both
SAP GUI as well as.
we can do.
Okay.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Got it, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Every point I'll open practically on the system and then show. No need to worry about it. This is only to get you a comfort feel that, okay, this is what we are going to learn. Not that you have to get to know all these points in the middle or at the end, right? You should know from the beginning so that accordingly we will have a plan properly.
Yeah.
Yes.
To ensure
Yeah. Correct.
right from the day one, we have to be on the track. So that in a week time or in a couple of weeks time, we need to make sure we're all comfortable on the track so that we all can move fast. Even if I only talk without sharing my screen, I want you to understand, open your laptop and then perform the activity. You're getting my point?
Yes.
I'll not share my screen.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll only talk what is this, what is the requirement, and I want you to understand what I'm talking about and how to do it, and then I want you to do it and then show me the output. That's it. For you to get into that level of understanding, we need to understand everything, right? If I wanted to expect these things from you, I need to ensure I'll give the right things to you
Yes.
to act the way I want. Else, I cannot expect you to work the way I want you to work, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Now, who will provide this? SAP standard list is there, and then based on that, consultant will have to make the list of all possible scenarios. Now you have a
Yes.
clarity on it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, for UT, do we need any DOC? DOC means what?
Document.
Document. For UT, are we supposed to make any document?
No.
You know.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. We need to make it.
Sir,
We need to
make
prepare a UT
document.
Document.
document. Alright? Agree or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Agree.
This you'll have to prepare. Meaning, whatever you are testing, you need to take screenshot, update whether it is working fine, not working fine, test result, you'll have to put it.
Yes.
Tomorrow, where is the proof that you tested it is working fine in development?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Now,
So that we can say IT testing, right? IT testing document.
right.
Yeah.
In which system do we perform UT? Where?
QA.
Quality.
Topic points, sir. 110. Dev 110.
Dev 110, is it related to FICO consultant?
No. It is for the
No.
configuration. No, it's above.
Configuration.
110 is not FICO, right?
That is a parabap, technical consulting.
Right? You have development 200. So where do you perform the UT? 200.
Development
200.
Development.
You will perform the unit testing in Dev 200. Similarly, in which system do we perform UAT?
Quality system.
Quality.
Quality system.
Quality.
QS 100.
QS and
Yes.
Now, do we need any DOC for UAT?
we need sign off. Yes.
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 Document is required or not required?
Required.
Yes.
It is required.
Correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Are these points clear so far?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Now, after this, I'll write little more points. As a FICO consultants, we need to perform unit testing in development 200
Development 200.
to make sure
Configuration is correct.
system is working fine
Yes.
as per the requirement.
Required.
We must test from the
Business point of view.
business point of view, not from
Consultant.
clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
When I say business point of view, what I mean here is,
User point.
for example, I open the screen. Now I go to a report. Anything. I go to a report. I put a company code. I'll put one number. I'll click on run. Some output is coming or not?
Yes.
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 If I'm talking about a consultant point of view, I go to a report. I pass the information. I run the report. Output is coming. Meaning technically from a consultant point of view, report is working or not.
Yes.
Working.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Meaning if I give input, output is coming. So report is working fine, no problem. This is from a consulting point of view. From a business point of view, they'll not do like this, right? They will check whether
Yes.
the number is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
They will
They
check
will check the
what is
numbers.
this report, what is the company code, what is the account number, on what date you are generating the report, what amount is coming, right? What is the equivalent dollar and all, they will verify. Agree or not?
Yes. Is it matching?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Now there is a difference between consultant point of view and business point
Consultant.
of view, or both are same?
There is
Different.
difference.
Different.
There is a difference, right? Now you need to perform any testing from a business point of view and see in the development itself whether you can make any improvements, whether this might create a problem. Sometimes what will happen, you do something now, later on user might come back stating this is not working, that is not okay, that is not okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Because as a consultant, we need to think through it. Okay, I am doing it now, it is working like this. This control might be helpful for the business. I think this will create a problem. It may not work in that scenario. If we do it in that particular report, whether it will work or it will not work. As a consultant, during the testing itself, in the development, we need to think through all the points. Whatever the improvements that you find, whatever suggestions that you can give it, you can tell to the user, right?
Yes.
If you do it, I think it will be more effective. It may not work in this scenario. Sometimes user will tell, I want this, I want that. You can confidently tell if you do it, it is possible, but in the report it will create a problem. Then the user will tell, okay, if that is the case, I don't want it. You're not straight away denying it, right? You're telling why you're denying it, where it will create a problem.
Yes.
Right? That is very, very important for any FICO consultant in every project. Because it's easy for us to tell no, but it is difficult for us to justify why no.
Yes.
Yes.
And make
Yes,
sure
sir.
when you tell no, it is a no, strict no. Don't tell no in such a way that I am telling you no, it is not possible, but another consultant is telling no, it is possible, we can do it. And then this gives a doubt to the client, confusion
Yes.
to the client.
Yes, sir.
How come one
Yes.
person is telling how come another person is telling it is possible? On what basis? There should be a justification, right?
Yes.
You need to tell. If it is no, tell why no. If it is yes, tell why yes, and give the reasoning. This is how it will create a problem. This is how it will be a little more tricky to the business. Accordingly, they will clearly understand. Else, what will happen? They come to a negative conclusion stating that this consultant is telling no for everything. This consultant is not good. They upfront tell, no, whatever you ask, he will tell not possible only. Or other way around, they tell whatever you tell, he will tell yes, possible, but he will never deliver it. That is also there.
Yes.
You have to be practical and then talk to the user, talk to the client, whatever you feel, then accordingly tell with confidence. Let me try, let me check the feasibility, possibility in the system, then I'll get back to you. Fine, you can take the time, nobody will stop you, but you need to give the justification, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow, whatever you're doing, you are answerable. And for everything, there is a delivery date in the project.
Yes.
Yes,
You have
sir.
to complete every task within the timeline, not that we tried our level best. Like a doctor, you cannot come back and then tell, sorry, I tried my level best, but I could not help. You should have come 10 minutes before, half an hour before, nothing doing in the consulting. You have to be practical. And you have to talk on the dot. If you do not know, you do not know. That's it. Give a heads up. I am not able to understand this. I think it cannot be completed by this time. Then accordingly they will plan, right? You should not tell tomorrow you have to deliver today. Sorry, I don't think we can do it by tomorrow. I think it takes some more time. Don't tell today for tomorrow. Because if you are the one who is working on it, you must be the one who should know about it.
Yes.
Majoritarily, this will happen because of Google, because of your overconfidence. We feel that let me Google it, I'll get it. I asked one of my colleague, he said he will help me. I thought somewhere there is a YouTube video. I thought somewhere I will get some content, but nowhere nothing will come to you. This is the bitter truth of the market. Am I correct?
Yes.
Because you cannot reveal your requirement or anything to anybody. It is highly confidential. So no other go. You have to think. You have to understand the business process. Only then Google or whatsoever can help you. Else, what will happen? Even if I say that I need a help, you cannot read my mind, right? You need to ask, what do you want?
Yes.
I need to tell what I want. I need to make you understand the problem, my requirement first. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what will happen if I say that no, I have a problem in GL report? Don't worry. Go to FAGLL03 and put your GL account. Give the company code. Give the date. Click on this circle icon. It will come. That's it. Over. Is this my problem?
No.
This is not my problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, if I tell I have a problem in GL, no surprise, your friend, your Google or anything might be telling you go to FAGLL03, this particular screen, give your GL account number, give your company code, select open item, give a date, click on execute. Done. Congratulations, your output is ready. But this is not my problem, right?
Yes.
My problem is after this.
Yes.
Now I
Yes.
need to make you understand what is the exact problem. For that, first I need to understand the problem,
Yes.
Yes.
right? Actually, the problem is we are not able to understand the problem. That itself is a problem. That's where we will find it difficult to explain, convince, talk to the other person. Am I right?
Yes.
If you are clear with the problem, if you understand the problem, easily you can get through the solution, because nobody is expecting you to solve everything. Nobody is expecting you to work on everything independently at your level of experience. Not at all required. You're all aware, in any project you have consultant, senior consultant, lead consultant, principal consultant, solution architect, senior architect, and all. Agree or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
They're all there. If there is any problem, if there is any critical requirement, they're all there to support. They're all there to work on it. You don't need to do any innovative things. You don't need to do it. On the standard basic fundamental things, if you're able to work, more than enough. Nothing beyond that required from you. Nobody is expecting you to go implement a project. Nobody is doing it. And nobody will even expect it from you. You should know what is the expectation from you. Accordingly, when you prepare, you meet the market standard. But we think in a different way, we prepare in a different way. Agree or not?
Yes.
Our assumption, our preparation, everything is quite opposite to what is the market reality. That is where we find it a little difficult, which we have to avoid it. Right from the beginning, let's be on the top, on the dot. This is what I will be doing and this is what I will be learning. That's it. And see why you will not learn. See how come you will not feel comfortable, confident on the subject. Every day you need to feel, okay, now I'm feeling comfortable. Even before you log into SAP, even before you get the access to system, I want everybody to feel confident. Yes, I know many things about SAP FICO now. Not like before. Look at what was your situation on 27th July, and from 28th July, every day you should look back and then see, yes, I think now I'm feeling a little more comfortable. That you have to get. Else there is no movement, right? There is no improvement.
Yes.
Sir.
That should be there. And we need to ensure something or the other thing we're learning. For sure, there are certain topics which will take a little more time. There are certain topics which will take less time. And we have to balance everything.
Yes.
Yes.
And we have to ensure every point is okay for you. Not like this is tough, I'll remove it. This is easy, I will take it. Tomorrow nobody knows who will ask you what, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
cannot guarantee it. This is what your interview question. They might ask
Yes.
anything. In the project, I cannot guarantee this is what you will be working. You might have to work on everything. If you feel only after learning everything, only after practicing everything, I'll go to the market. You have to do 5 years SAP FICO course. 5 year means PhD.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Even then, it'll not be over. It's a never ending. Even at the retirement stage also, we will be still learning SAP. So that should not be the case. We have to gain the knowledge, confidence, with which you should feel that yes, now I can move alone. Only initially you need support. Later on, you have to work independently, right?
Yes.
Because tomorrow, once we
Yes.
get the job, in the interview, you'll have to perform independently. I cannot come and sit next to you, right?
Yes.
Yes.
In the project, I cannot come and talk to you, or I cannot come and work with you, right? So it's all independent. Only initial stages, I will be hand holding you. Later on, I'll ensure that you will do it on your own with minimum guidance. And that's where you will get to know where you are making a mistake. And it is easy for me to track where you're all going wrong. Accordingly, I can add additional points. Agree?
Yes.
Then you will feel practically okay. Now I'm able to do it. I'm not able to do it. I'm finding a mistake here. I think I'm not able to understand these points. Here I'm finding a little difficulty in understanding. Then accordingly, we will put focus. Accordingly, we will ensure what we need to do, how we need to overcome those points. In short, coming back to Excel, we must test from the business point of view, not from the consultant point of view. Are these two statements clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? Once these points are clear, automatically the way you look at the system will be different. Now, keeping all these points in your mind, you look at any materials that you're holding with you now. I'm sure everybody must be holding some documents from different sources with you on FICO?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everybody will have. Now open this document, look at. Slowly you will start realizing no document will help you now. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes,
You'll
sir.
find the problem, but you'll not find the exact solution for your problem anywhere. Because so far what you were doing, you were blindly referring any document, any content, whatever is coming your way. Agree? Because we do
Yes.
not know whether it is correct, not correct. Meaning we are not in a position to judge whether it is relevant or not relevant, correct or not.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But now, from now, it should not be the situation. Don't refer blindly whatever comes in your way with a tag called SAP FICO. By looking at it, I want you to judge, okay, there is some valid content in it, there is invalid content in it. If you find a valid content, read through it, understand some new point, good learning. Now there is nothing useful in it and you're spending a lot of time on it, not useful, right? Because we all
Yes.
have limited time, short time, and then you'll have to create a big impact, get a job, turn your career. Something to be done with calculative moves, proper
Yes.
approach, agree?
Yes.
And that has to be done. Don't make any mistakes and don't blindly refer whatever comes in your way. Because the way we go, the way you practice should be in sync. If you deviate and if you bypass me and then if you try to refer different content, I am not responsible for that confusion. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Because as we move forward, the way I take you through, you will not find any help, any reference from anywhere. You search entire Google, you don't find any solution to points what I'm telling, questions what I'm asking you. The way I make you look at the system, the way you get the error, the way you get stuck, you'll not find solutions so easily from anywhere. Later on, it will be difficult for you to get convinced. You will not be convinced just like that. Now, whatever somebody tells, you will be convinced, right? You say, okay, okay. Later on, not okay, you will tell. I'm not clear. I did not understand. Can you give me an example? Or you start putting a cross question. That's where you feel the difference, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That should be there. Okay, fine then. Let me stop this here. I'll share this Excel sheet. Go through this one or two times. Just as I said, read one or two times and then leave it. Don't try to by heart anything. Strictly, don't by heart anything. I'll tell you different ways how we'll have to remember every point without by hearting anything. Don't do any additional effort. Look at one or two times. Refer to the recording one or two times. More than sufficient. Rest and all, I will take care. Clear, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right, fine then. Then we'll connect at the same time tomorrow in the evening.
Ajay,
Yes.
Good.
Ajay,
Yes, sir.
yesterday I had shared a message 101 to you regarding the previous batch videos for my
That I
upcoming.
will share probably tonight or tomorrow. I will segregate a list. Then I'll start giving. From tomorrow, you will start receiving the recordings. Okay.
Okay.
Tomorrow morning, you'll receive it.